Hi guys, this is SAT practice test 1, question 6. It's a short response question. It's not multiple choice. So we are supposed to work on this question. Let's start to work on some details. So a printer produces posters at a constant rate. So constant rate means when it is the rate does not change. It means if you create one poster in 1 minute, you're gonna create 2 posters in 2 minutes. So it means the rate does not change. It's a constant rate. So simply says the system or this printer create 42 posters per minute. So what does per mean here? So per here in a minute. Per minute, don't forget that. Per minute, it means in a minute. Don't forget this. Per hour, in an hour. Per seconds, in a seconds. In a minute, this printer produces 42 posters. In a minute. At what rate in posters per hour? It says per hour. 1 hour, how many minutes? Everything needs to be in the same unit. If we're talking about the minutes, you're gonna work with minutes. 1 hour, how many minutes? Yes, you are right, 60 minutes. So I'm gonna find 60 minutes. Does the printer produce how many posters? This is the question. Does the printer produce how many posters in 60 minutes? So simple way, as you know with SAT math, now you are allowed to use calculator on the digital one. So it means you can use your calculator for this question. How to use the calculator? So to use the calculator, you are supposed to know the strategy, how to solve this question. Now I'm going to show you how to use and which strategy to use to find the correct answer. First of all, you are going to create everything in order. So 42 posters per minute in a minute. So I'm going to create a proportion here. In 1 minute, see like how I create my proportion. How many posters I can create? I can create 42 posters. The question is, at what rate in posters per hour? In an hour, does the printer produce how many posters? So in an hour means, as you see here, it is 60 minutes. The question is, in 60 minutes, as you see, orders matter, like minute over minute, posters over poster. In 60 minutes, how many posters, I'm going to put a question mark here, how many posters this printer can produce, or I can produce. So let's solve this question and let's create our proportion. Put the fraction bars here and put an equal sign. After that, you are gonna use cross multiplication. Simply for this a question mark, I can put an X here instead of question mark. So whenever I make the cross multiplication, it's gonna be 1 times X is equal to 60 times 42. So it is important. Let's check one more time in case you don't see it. So 1 minute. And then if you do cross multiplication, you are going to multiply 1 minute times X posters is equal to 60 minutes times 42 posters. Again, what was the most important thing? Order matters. See, minute over minute, posters over posters, and that is the correct way to create proportion. So 1 minute times X posters is equal to 60 minutes times 42 posters. And then you can use your calculator. After 1 times X is X, and use your magic calculator and multiply 60 times 42. The correct answer is what? As you say, the correct answer is 25, 20. So you're going to type into boxes when you take the SAT math test, 25, 20, 2,520 posters this printer produced in 60 minutes or per hour in 1 hour. Thank you.